It is not about what happened to you, it is about how you respond, how you handle that situation. Hi guys, my name is Oshali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about that why you should learn to respond rather than react. Let's get into the video. See, there is a very minor difference between respond and react. Reaction is something that comes instantly without any thinking process, and that might be wrong sometimes, and you later regret that. And respond is something that you take time to process what happened, and you make all the situation in your head, and you analyze, and you think about that, what is wrong and what is right, and then you react to that situation. See, if something bad happened to you and you feel like that's it, that is it, everything is going wrong, nothing works for me and I can't do that, this is not meant for me. This is how you react, because it reaction is come from emotions. But when you learn how to respond, and you became kind of emotional intelligent person, you know that bad time comes and it goes also. Like if something bad happened to me, that's okay, it's just a phase and it will go. And we can handle that, I can handle that, no matter what it takes, and it will go no matter what. This is how you respond to the situation. You When you learn to respond, you became a very emotional intelligent person. You won't feel emotionally weak. You became very sensible person, very intelligent person, mature person. I can, no matter what, I can handle things. And if you are a person who react instantly, you are literally the most weak person emotionally. Like, you don't know how to handle things, you don't know that what is coming in our life next, and you are not able to see and take and accept all of these things if you are emotionally weak person. But when you learn how to respond, you know the things, bad things, good things, everything comes and go. And also, when something like bad happened to us and we instantly react to that, we may make bad decisions. We do that. If you know that this situation can be handled politely, you take time, you analyze the situation. It's not like something has done wrong to you and you'll be like, okay, that's fine. No, you learn the situation, like you process all the situation in your mind, and you think like what is right for me right now and what is wrong for me. And that is when you make a good decision for yourself. When you take time to react, when you take time to analyze the situation, when you give time to yourself, you make a better decision. It is true that what happened, and nothing can stop that. And what is meant for me, what is meant for us will come to us no matter what. That is true, but it is also depend on us, what we are creating for ourselves, how we are handling the situation, what decisions we are making, what we are trying to do. If you are not able to handle the situation, how you think that a big business, I will run a big business, but right now you are not even able to handle a small situation. So we really need to learn how to make good decisions. We should know that yes, this is good for me and this is not good for me, and we should take time to learn, to adapt, to analyze the situation and to know that what is right or what is wrong for me, and learning respond rather than react also make you a strong person who is able to achieve like their dreams. Like if you are emotionally weak person, you react instantly, and like you are trying to make a business successful and something bad happen, like even a minor thing, then you won't be you won't be able to handle that situation. You will lose your temper, you will make bad decision instantly, and you can do many things wrong. But if you are a emotionally strong person and you know that how to react, how to stay calm, how to make good decisions, how to give time to yourself, how to give time to the situations, then you make things more successful. There are high chances that you will be successful in your life if you are a person who know how to respond. Like if we can take, like someone is trying to criticize you, trying to insult you, trying to put you down, at that moment we feel very, we kind of feel that it just that this person just hurt my ego, and I won't let this person do that anymore, and we react instantly in that moment. And that thing also make us as same as they are, you see, because they are also doing the bad thing, and we are also like trying to do same to them. But when we know that reacting to this situation won't, make my ego satisfy, this won't help me, this sitting here with these persons is just wasting my energy, wasting my time. So in that situations, it is very important that we don't say, I feel we don't say anything, because if someone is stupid and the things they are saying is also stupid, then how can we really tell that person that what you saying is wrong? There is no point. Arguing with a stupid person is pointless. So it is, I feel that it is very important to save your energy and save your time from the situation, and I think we should really leave that. But reaction sometimes also can be harmful for us in a emotional relationships with our partner, because in that moment I feel we should do what we really feel. Still we should take some time, still we should try to analyze and try to think what is wrong or what is right for me. Staying with the person is good for me right now, or staying not staying with that person is, what this relationship is going on, kind of things. But like I said, if someone has done wrong to you and you get so much hurt, and you do feel like that, like leaving this situation right now is the only way that I can feel, you know not feel hurt anymore, we can do that. But I feel this is only helpful in emotional relationship, not in our financial situation and any other thing except the emotional relationships. See, when I say this, that you need to learn to respond rather than react, I'm not saying that you should sit in a situation where people are not respecting you and people are not treating you well. No, if you feel that this situation is not meant for me, these people are not meant for me, and these surroundings are not meant for me, this environment is not meant for me, you should instantly leave. You should do that to satisfy yourself, to make yourself happy, and to feel like that, yeah, I respect myself and I put myself first. But sometimes it does happen, like I said, when we are trying to make a long term decision. We know that the decision I am making right now will affect my whole life. In that situation, we should always take time. We should always analyze the situation. We should always try to make a better decision. We should never be like, this just hurt me, no matter what it takes in my future, I'm gonna do this. No, we should take time. We should learn, and we should, think first to take any decision which is long term, which can affect us very, much in our future. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.